I'm gonna use, these are one of my custom made headbands that I use that no one knows. I mean, no one has unless you've ordered a wig from me. So I'm not gonna show you guys this on camera yet. Wait for the next video. The way I sew my wigs on, my headbands are, this is the frontal, right? And what I do is I already marked where I want the headband to be. So if you've seen my other video where I showed you how to put the headband on, which I'll have right in the upper right corner, I show you guys how to put the headband on, right? So this one is kind of like a refresher. So I have my spot marked right here. But because we're using the sewing machine, I don't want to stitch any of the hair down. So on the frontal, I make a part. Alright, I make a part by the ear. And then I know I want it to be right there. So I part the hair. I'm gonna place the headband where I have the part made on the frontal. I'm gonna put it underneath, put this down, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just sew. Straight stitch, by the way. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go backwards. So I'm gonna go forward once more. And then just to knot it, and then backwards. And you're done. So just go ahead and cut it. Now you see I have the headband stitched on. Nice and firm and tight, and it's not gonna move. Now time to do the other side. Now we have our headband attached to our wig, and if you want to know how the other side looks, let me go ahead and show you. So this is how it looks on the lace front, and you can't see because it's by your ear, so it's really invisible, guys. And yeah, now you have a nicely stitched headband along with 2 combs for security,